Today's lecture is titled Business is Life and Life is Business. Business is life and life is business. Welcome to the First Zion Sabbath School. As we get started with our lecture series, this subject matter, life is business and business is life, is relevant to everything that we do on a daily basis because when we start life from the very first breath that we take, we are already in business agreements. We are already in contractual agreements with doctors, with hospitals, with other providers and vendors through our parents, through our guardian. They sign and represent us as if an attorney almost to the rest of the world. Life is business. The life that we live is a business, the business of survival. That's what life is a lot about. The business of survival, food, clothing, and shelter. These three items are a necessity to maintain our life. And another way to say that, of maintaining our life, is to say that we survive. We survive. So as we encounter every day having to eat food, find food, pay for food, work for food, exchange for food, as we wear clothes, as we navigate through society, whether on foot or in a gasoline powered vehicle with a motor that might cost to fuel, that might cost to maintain. Everything in life is business. This is just the introduction to the subject matter, but everything we do in life is based upon a business relationship, whether it's our marriage, a business relationship, our parents, again, they sign for us, they have authority over us, they develop us in such a way to provide food, clothing, and shelter. They help us get to the level in which we are able to provide for ourselves. We are able to survive on our own. We are able to go out into the market and be able to engage in trade and commerce in exchange to get the things that we need in exchange for skills, products, or services that we provide to others. Again, life is business and business is life. If you look around your house, you might find that what you call inventory. You have to ever once in a while go to the grocery store and restock your inventory. You might have what you call warehousing or housing or sheltering of products or clothing or shoes or other items that are valuable to your life. You may find that you engage in banking activity to better aid you in trade and commerce and exchanging and trading and bartering for the things that you need and the things that you want. Everything you do in life is business. So it's important that we develop better business principles such as being on time, paying our bills on time, expanding our customer base, expanding our reach and influence, such business lessons that we should apply to our life to make our life more valuable and so that we survive not on a low level, but on a high level of survival.